Hello and welcome back. Okay, today I'm going to pick this little union oval. I'm quite into my unions. I think they're quite good fun picks, and they make really good challenge locks as well. And I picked this up off eBay for £1. No key, but you know, who needs a key? Yeah, so let's get this priced up and see where we go. Okey-dokey. Zoom in a bit there for you. Just adjust this camera slightly. Okay, let's see what it takes to get into it. Mad Bob tension wrench and a South Max medium hook. Okay, let's start at the back. Click out 5, another click out of 5, just tighten up a bit, and another click out of 5. Okay, a little crunch out of 3, maybe a little bit of 4, another click out of 5 and a little bit of a full set there. Click out of 1, click out of 3, nothing out of 5, 4, nothing out of 2. Let's see if we can get a little bit more leverage on that pin number 1. And get that in there. Let's go for that. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 3. Let's go back to 5. And a little click out of 5. Click out of 5. And we're open on 1. See what I mean? They put up a little bit of a fight, they do, these unions. Okay, let's get this opened up. I haven't actually seen what's inside this yet. Okay, don't want to lock it up because I have not got a key. Okay, let's just zoom this out a bit. Okay, put the camera down a little bit like this. Okie dokie. Right, let's get this out back. Get the clip out the back. Do not want to sit there and lock this up. Okay. Okay. That's good. Okay, pins there. Get a follower. Okay, pins there, follower. Okie dokie. That's good. Okay, pin 1. That's actually pin 2. Pin 1. Get the light down there. Pin 3. 4 and 5. Okay, and there's the plug there. A bit of counter milling, no, a bit of a, you can see the milling in there. Okay. And now the Bible. And my tweezers, so here we go. Okay, 1, pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, and pin 5. All the springs are standard, nothing obviously in there. Okay, all standard. As I said, they do give a nice, they are good fun to pick, and all the actual driver pin, the actual key pins are all beveled at the top there. I think that's what gives it a little bit of a fun pick, each and every one of them. And then obviously just the driver pins are all just standard for now, but I will turn this into a challenge lock and have another go. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.